I'm Carmen Wakeling from Eat More Sprouts. We grow sprouts and microgreens, distribute them through Western Canada. We're located on Vancouver Island in the Comox Valley. We've had the applicator, I think, since 2009, and we've really applied a lot of labels, 17 million labels, I heard. Prior to this, we had a semi-automatic hand dispenser. So we had to hot stamp the lot codes on, and yeah, it was time consuming. There was a full-time person doing it. Oh, it's been awesome. Whenever we call Jurgen, he says, "Get that thing fixed," and we fix it. So yeah, we've been able to get parts from you guys. We've been able to have somebody work in house. Jurgen's come over a few times, and it's been great to have it rebuilt. Absolutely, probably with the new mod cons that we've been talking to Jurgen about. So, and we probably will in the future. We're just looking at different packaging structures. So when the time comes, you'll be our people.